So guys, it's very dark. We lose power at home. So right now I'm using the flashlight on my phone. But
there's a ghost hand!
oh no! So it looks like, yeah, it looks like even the neighbors don't have lights. The entire neighborhood is losing power because of this weather. It's been like this since after dinner. Turn on the lights, the decorations still here. I don't know where my husband is. It's very cold outside. My husband is. Dear? So I will turn off the flashlight and my phone. Start. Ay, ay, ay.
The ghost hand is getting smaller!
You're so silly. I'm gonna look for Daddy. It's dark. Do you hear?
Yep. You got the flashlights out there?
Mm-hmm. My phone.
The lantern should be on the kitchen the countertop.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Lucky we have this. This is what we use for camping. Very bright.
There's a ghost hand rising!
Oh! Oh! It's a big hand.
Where is it?
It's almost all over the wall.
Oh wow, yeah.
And it's a ghost hand!
Come, guys, let's come look outside.
Okay, wait, I need the jacket. Need the jacket. Can't see. Is it cold?
It's snowing!
Here, step down there once. Feel it. It's slippery. It's starting to get icy.
Yeah, it's actually.
Mom, you can wear.
Oh, cold.
It's gonna.
So Dan figured it out. We got some fire in here. I need to go find another candle. I think I have one upstairs. So Yeah. No, I just get one candle so we can have one in the bathroom. I need to check the bathroom because I turn on, oh well, that then turn on the water in here. I think that should be good. So we turn on the water just in case the water also stopped, then we have something to use for washing and cleaning. It's super dark. So I already turned off the water on the bathtub. This candle I'm gonna put in the bathroom. Over here. Blackout. No electricity until 6 a.m. Valentine's night namin. Super romantic. Walang kuryente. Yes, umaga na kakagising lang namin. Tingnan niyo sa labas. Oh my gosh, look. Hindi to normal para sa Texas. Mag-ice. So kagabi, yung kuryente abnormal.
I think it's a haunted house, Mommy.
Yeah, I think.
Whoa!
Yeah,
Super snowy.
I know,
This
right?
is super rare.
Yep, look at that. Yung electricity namin panay. Sindi panay.
Whoa! Whoa, that's super
patay.
cool.
So si Brian takot na takot.
There's spots on the
Ano siya,
chair,
parang
Mommy.
hindi siya, ayaw niya nang may mga tumutunog sa bahay. So nung patay sindi yung ano namin, yung electricity. So yung pakita ko sa inyo.
Mommy, there's snow on the chair.
Ito para sa ano, sunod-sunod. Tapos,
There's snow on the chair.
oh yeah, it's everywhere. And then for the temperature thing, yung tunog ng tunog. Tapos yung karaoke namin, nag-on din over there.
Mommy, this level to save energy, so they're still alive.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's what I learned in school.
So kahapon, Valentine's Day, is kagabi. Dark. Ayan, mabuti na lang yung kalan na magana. Kasi kailangan ko magkape. Hindi ako nakatulog na masyado kagabi. So,
Look at
so
the snow on the
abnormal.
roofs.
What?
Look at the snow on the roofs.
Yeah. What can you say? Does it feels like Norway here?
Feels like Michigan.
Oh yeah.
This is really rare in Texas.
I know, right? Very rare. But maybe you and James can play snow later.
Hope I can.
Yeah. I hope it's not slippery.
Yeah, there he goes, enjoying the snow.
Hope he doesn't go to sleep.
Well, snow slash ice.
He's digging. I bet this one is pretty strange for him. This is the first time. Oh,
No, he's seen it in Norway.
but I mean here in Texas, you
Yeah.
kind of feel weird about it.
It's still only like a once a year thing for him, so.
Oh, they are cold. And Daddy's gonna go out. Is Brian gonna come out also?
No.
You wanna go outside, Brian? No. They decided to go outside. It's super cold. Long outside.
It's because your face is gonna freeze into an ice cube.
Palit ako ng pangdoob. Ito, wool. Kasi sobrang lamig. Wala pa rin kami kuryente ngayon. Kaya sa loob ng bahay, sobrang lamig. Ay, update doon sa ayan, mabuti may movies pala ako sa aking laptop. Nanood kami sa aking laptop. So Liam is watching movie on the laptop, and my husband is having a soup. How's your soup?
Very good.
So anyway, earlier I was asking you, what is the reason why we don't have electricity?
Because the power went out.
No, why why it went out? Something broke?
Yeah, there's an equipment problem, so it's been out for hours and hours. Sometime after 1:30 in the morning.
This actually smells good. I'm gonna make something. So. I'm gonna make sopas. Ayan. Guys, ito na ang aking sopas. Ayan. Wala tong repolyo. Pero mukhang sopas na rin siya. Yan ang lunch namin. Pipilitin kong kumain si Liam ng sopas. Kasi malamig. Tapos na din yung movie niya. So this is our front. Stop! We cannot believe it's snowing in Texas, in here.
In Houston.
Oh my god! So cold. Ah! Cannot believe I'm wearing winter jacket in here. This is our street. Very unusual to have snow in Texas, especially here in our location. It's not very usual to have snow here. It's like Norway now. Actually, we had winter boots. So cool. Oh, so cold. humidity. It's getting really cold inside the house. I'm just having lunch, watching a show. I'm drinking hot water. Why is the fireplace? Because I'm very, very cold. So guys, nandito ako sa car. Nag-charge ako ng ito para may extra battery. Tsaka ng aking phone. Yeah. Dito medyo mainit-init kasi sa loob ng bahay kasi yung car may heater. So wala pa rin kaming kuryente hanggang ngayon. Tumawag sila sa Center of Energy. Sabi mga alas 12 pa daw ng gabi kami nakakakuryente. Malamig sa loob ng bahay namin. So ngayon hintay lang kami kuryente. Tapos ang hina pa ng signal dito. So ngayon nakakapag-text ako dito. Ngayon dito ako sa labas, nasa car, nakakapag-text ako sa mga friends ko para update sila kung nangyayari dito. Pero sobrang lamig. Ngayon nakausap ko yung kapitbahay namin. Nandun sila yung tatlong anak niya. Naglaro sa snow. Kasi minsan lang naman mag-snow dito eh. Pero mahirap talaga kasi dito sa Texas hindi talaga normal yung yung nagkakasnow tsaka ganitong sobrang lamig, kaya kailangan talaga may kuryente kasi para yung heater mag-work. Ang kaso nga lang ngayon sa daming gumagamit ng kuryente, so ngayon parang may transformer atang pumutok or something. Kaya ngayon ang dami tuloy na walang kuryente. So hopefully sana bumalik na ulit yung kuryente kasi para at least makapag turn on ang heater kasi malamig talaga. Kanina sabi ng asawa ko ang temperature is 22 degrees. So baka mamayang gabi baka bumaba hanggang 10 degrees sa sobrang lamig. Kaya so mamaya update ko kayo kung bumalik na yung kuryente. Sana talaga bumalik na. Now I'm cooking dinner. French fries, chicken nuggets, and onion rings.
I am Sam.
How these two crazy people.
I am Sans. I can levitate. Did you finish your onion ring already?
Well, that's one of them.
I shall hurry after we. Can I try it? Can I try the shrimp and pepper?
So hello guys, next day na at wala pa rin kaming kuryente. So kagabi dito kami natulog sa couch kasi para malapit kami sa fireplace. So hindi kami masyadong nalamigan kasi kami doble suot namin at saka tingnan nyo yung suot ko, pang Christmas nga to eh, pero very very warm siya at very comfortable to wear. Kaya ayun suot ko. Tapos yung anak ko naka-pajama tapos naka-sweatshirt siya, tapos yung asawa ko naman siya ng sleeping bag. So doon siya natulog. So katatapos lang namin magkape, maglinis ako ng konti para galaw-galaw din para hindi ma-stroke, char. So, yun. Yung mag-ama ko ngayon, nasa car, nag-charge ng tablet para mapanood ng movies and show siya. Pero wala talagang internet. Ang ano lang, mabuti meron kami mga save na movie at saka show sa tablet ni Liam. Kasi pag nagka-camping kami, ganun ginagawa namin. Nag-download kami ng mga show. So, mabuti na lang. Meron din kaming movie sa laptop ko, kaso lang wala na siyang charge. Kumbaga battery low na siya, so hindi na magagamit. Tapos ito, sinarge din ng asawa ko sa car this morning. So ayun guys, intay kami ng ng kuryente. Pero alam nyo guys, marami dito sa Texas or sa Houston na nawala ng kuryente. So, ang Texas hindi ready para sa mga ganitong sitwasyon. So, I hope na ang mga friends is staying warm, no? Kasi sobrang lamig talaga. Just mabuti na lang kami. We live in Norway before. So, may mga gear kami na nasusuot talaga namin at napapakinabangan namin ngayon this time kasi sobrang lamig. Kahit nasa loob ka na ng bahay, sobrang lamig talaga. Tapos ito, hindi siya masyadong mainit siya, pero hindi siya katulad ng fireplace namin sa Norway na sobrang init talaga lahat. Kahit na wala kang kuryente, mapapainit talaga ang bahay. Ito, dito lang talaga sa living room. And I think yung mga neighbor ko ganun din, parang sa living room lang talaga sila nag-stay kasi doon lang yung warm. Kasi sinarado nga namin yung mga room para extra na ma-preserve namin dito sa gitna yung warm. So ayun guys, intay lang kami ng kuryente. We'll let you know later. Okay, bye. So the electricity is finally back. It's 11 o'clock and we have the electricity, but this is not guaranteed. So we're charging our laptop and phones to make sure, just in case we lose power again, then we have a battery at least. So ayun guys, nakaligo din ako at saka ang bahay namin warm na kasi the heater is been running for a while at thankful talaga kami at bumalik ngayon kuryente kasi ang sobrang lamig kanina. So pinatay na din namin yung fireplace para makapagpahinga just in case mawalan uli kami ng kuryente mamaya, at least pwede uli siya iwan. So ayun guys, kaya ang experience namin sa 35 hours na walang kuryente, tapos ang lamig sa labas, nag-snow. So we'll see you guys next time, and thank you very much. Comment down below and we'll see you next time. Bye.